newly filed lawsuit aims to impact how you get around Metro Detroit. A group claims parts of Michigan's new auto insurance legislation are unconstitutional. 7 Action News reporter Matthew Smith is walking us through this lawsuit this morning.
All right, so what we're talking about is a pretty lengthy lawsuit that is in Ingham County Court, but it would make changes for everyone. And the lawsuit here, it's 60 pages. I'm taking a closer look at it, but the bottom line for you all to understand is that there are two parts of the law that went into place just this year that the people who are bringing this lawsuit say are unconstitutional. So effectively, if the judge were to agree with them, it would change auto insurance reform for everyone for a second time just this year. Now, there's no surprise that this is unfolding, right? Just last week, we showed you thousands showed up in Lansing calling on the government to, quote, fix the fix, as the advocates called it. And those people have voices echoing them on the Capitol as well. Nearly 20 state lawmakers stood side by side as all of this was unfolding. We caught up with one Detroit woman whose daughter is just 3 years old and is already nearing a cap on how much insurance pays for her accident, a cap that didn't exist before the changes took hold here in our state.
It happened July 28th on Iroquois Street in Detroit, Michigan. She has spinal cord injuries, also femur, wrists, knuckles, fingers.
That amount, $250,000.
It's gone, it's done. Doesn't last long.
Now, I'm breaking down online what those specifics are, what this lawsuit claims is unconstitutional by the state of Michigan, how this would be affecting. They're asking the judge to stop the insurance companies from having to follow this law. But the bottom line, again, this would affect all of us and the pricing. What's unclear right now is how much it would affect the pricing, which is what this was really all about. The reason that the state originally looked at overhauling auto insurance law in Michigan. We will continue to learn more about this story, and as we get those developments, we'll update you here and online at WXYZ.com. For 7 Action News, I'm Matthew Smith.
All right, thank you, Matthew.